Hello everybody, welcome to Arabella's Reading Corner, and today I am going to be reading Woodpecker Wants a Waffle. Ooh. Well, this is going to be interesting. One morning, Benny awoke to the best tummy rumbling smell. So off he flew to investigate. W-A-F-F-L-E, he read. What in the world is a waffle? The waffles smelled good. The waffles looked good. The waffles must taste good too, thought Benny. I want waffles, Benny declared. Benny politely pecked on the front door. But instead of waffles, he got the boot. Bam. Next, he tried to sneak in. Ooh, that's smart. That's a smart disguise. But instead of waffles, Benny got swept away. Flap. Benny tried a number of creative disguises. Like that one, Frankenstein. Ooh, I like the fruit. But instead of waffles, he was tossed in the trash. Oh, because he dressed as a can of milk. Ay. What are you doing? Asked Bunny. I am wishing for waffles, said Benny. The animals started laughing. That is ridiculous, Bunny said. One by one, the other animals chimed in. Raccoons don't eat ravioli. Moose don't eat muffins. Frogs don't eat fries. Ribbit. Lizards don't eat lasagna. Owls don't eat oatmeal. Hawks don't eat hot dogs. Skunks don't eat scones. Turtles don't eat turnovers. Bears don't eat bagels. Chipmunks don't eat cheeseburgers. And woodpeckers don't eat waffles. Well, why not? Benny asked. Why not? The animals grumbled, chirped and croaked and whispered. They thought and thought and thought and thought. Because I said so, said Bunny. I really don't have the time for this said so nonsense, Benny said impatiently. Benny got right to work, devising a plan to get some waffles. First, I will shoot out of a cannon. Phew. Then hit the ground juggling. Then moonwalk and breakdance, followed by a stand-up comedy act with a Broadway-style finale featuring fireworks. That's a lot. The animals were speechless, though Benny was sure he heard some snickering. See you all tomorrow. Don't be late. The next morning, the animals gathered in the fields by the diner to catch Manny's big show. No one was late. No one except Benny. As the animals waited patiently for Benny to arrive, the waitress in the diner noticed something odd. The customers noticed something strange too. Uh-oh, beware of the coffee. Everyone at the diner stepped outside to look at the animals. That's when Benny made his move. He's going inside the diner to eat waffles. Oh, come on. said Benny. Nice trick, Benny. I hope you enjoyed this waffle-filled book.